Hope you had fun using repeat in Scratch and Microbit. Next, we are going to learn about a new concept. It is called variables. Before we learn what is meant by a variable, I am going to show you a picture. What song came to your mind when you saw that picture? If you guess 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed, then you are correct. So the song goes like this. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. There are two numbers in this song, 5 and 1. Can you guess which number keeps changing? So the number 5 in this rhyme keeps changing. First it's 5, then it's 4, then it's 3, then it's 2, then it's 1 and then it's 0 monkeys. Things that keep changing like this are called variables. So what is a variable? Something that keeps changing. If you notice, in the rhyme there is another number that never changes. Have you guessed what number it is? The number of monkeys that fall down from the bed at any given point is the same. No matter how many monkeys are jumping on the bed, always only one monkey falls down from the bed, and this is a constant. So variables are things that keep changing and constants are things that never change. In programming, variable is the name of the memory location in which these changing values are stored. You can think of variables in programming like a box inside which the values are stored. Let us do a small activity to understand variables better. For this activity, you will need a bowl and some marbles or small balls. I will be showing you a series of pictures. If you identify a picture that has a flying object, then you should take one of the balls or marbles and add it to your bowl. Remember, the bowl has to be empty in the beginning. Are you ready? Every time you see a flying object in the picture, remember to take a ball and add it to the bowl. Every time you see a flying object in the picture, remember to take a ball and add it to the bowl. Every time you see a flying object in the picture, remember to take a ball and add it to the bowl. Have you finished? Did you notice that the number of balls or marbles in your bowl kept changing from time to time? So this changing value is a variable. Let me show you my bowl and what I am doing with it. An apple cannot fly. A bird can fly. So let me add a marble to my bowl. That makes it 1. A plane can fly. Time to add one more marble. So that makes 2 marbles in my bowl. A bus cannot fly. No, a lion cannot fly. A feather can fly. Let me add one more marble to my bowl and that makes it 3 marbles totally. Beetroots cannot fly. A bat is a flying marble. Time to add one more marble to the bowl and now I have 4 marbles in the bowl. So finally, my bowl has 4 balls. Did you get it right too? So this bowl is like a variable which has the value 0 to start with. Then every time a picture with a flying object enters, you increase the number of balls in the bowl. That is, you increase the value of the variable. So imagine the bowl is the variable and the number of balls inside the bowl is the value of the variable. Did you also notice that the number of balls in the bowl kept changing at the onset of an event. The event here being whenever you saw a flying object. Just like that, in programming, an event or an occurrence will usually trigger the change in the value of a variable. Usually, an internal or external event can trigger the change in the value of these variables. We are going to see many projects with variables in the upcoming videos in both Scratch and Microbit.